Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Bohr. In this episode, I'm going to do a grilled broccoli. I'm going to get it nice and crisp, put a little seasoning on it. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is get a little olive oil in here. Not much, about two teaspoons. You know, you don't want to drench it too bad. I'm going to mix that up a little bit. Coat that broccoli, and then you can put on whatever your favorite seasoning is, right? This Badia complete seasoning's very good. I like this simply seasoned. It's really good, doesn't have any salt in it, so I really like that. It's got a little kick to it as well. So I'm gonna put plenty of the seasoning on there, stir it up. I'll put a link to that simply seasoned in the website as well as in the description below here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply put this on the grill. I've got some aluminum foil out here already. You could use one of those trays where you can put all the vegetables in. Either way works. But just go ahead and put this on here like so. That oil helps some of the seasoning to stick. I'm going to actually sprinkle a little bit more on here. And let these start to really green up, a real bright green, right? Once they get a nice bright green, they'll stay plenty crisp. And I'll bring them off and get ready to eat them. All right, it's been several minutes watching the broccoli in here. I think it's about ready. I've been stirring it just a little bit. It's nice and crisp. I can hear it sizzling on there, so I'm ready to bring it in. I'll go ahead and put it in my container here. I'm gonna have it with some good shrimp tonight. That's gonna taste delicious. And I'll just go ahead and place this in here. I'll take a bite here in just a second, but let me get off the grill. Small piece there. Oh boy, this smells good. It's going to taste wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the grill. And let's give it a try, right? I don't mind. Use my fingers here, grab a piece. It's going to be hot. I can see the steam coming off it. Crispy, crunchy. That seasoning, simply delicious, right? Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, see you next time.